In chapters 12, 13, 16, 17, review. Now, in chapter 12, they had the denotative meaning, which you could have literal, which is a word or phrase. You could have connotative, that uses emotions that are words by phrase. You need to be able to use your language when you're giving a speech accurately, clearly, vividly, and appropriately. But you also need to use imagery, which I think you can use examples for imagery to put in your target audience mind about where you're going with the speech. Now you could have abstract, and also sometimes you want concrete, tangible objects. You want it in person so you back up your argument. You also have similes, which uses like or as. You also have metaphors and other things. In chapter 13, you have your delivery methods. You have your manuscripts, your memory, your impromptu, and extemporaneous. Manuscript, it's the full speech written out. Memory, obviously you do everything from memory. You read the speech, you go over it, and you memorize it. Now, impromptu is little to no preparation before, so it's like winging a speech. And extemporaneous, that's a hard word, is rehearse. So it's like manuscript, but it's rehearsed out, so it'll probably be better. Now, your voice, you need to be aware of your volume, pitch, rate, and pauses when you speak. Volume has to do with how loud or soft you're talking. Pitch is how high or low you go. Rate is the speed of which you talk. And pauses, you need a break. At every period, you need to pause. In chapter 16, it had persuasion. I talked about a persuasion speech. You need ethics, which can be credibility. Your degrees of persuasion. You need to know your target audience in which you're giving a speech. But you can give speech over fact, value, and policy. Now, persuasion speech is based on truth or falsity. Value is worth, and policy is your course of action. And 17 is more about credibility, evidence, reason, and emotions. Hopefully in my speech, I use enough evidence to persuade y'all in the way that I think I should have.